Hi guys, welcome to my channel, How to Do 13. Have you ever watched a YouTube channel and then in the comment section you've seen how the fonts, the words stand out, they're kind of bigger compared to other comments in the comment section? And have you ever wondered how to do that? Well, this is what I'm going to teach you now. All you have to do is, if you're on a keyboard, you just need to put, like, you know, on your phone where you get the star and the hash button, but the star button, for instance, this, I'm going to write the word test like that, and then next to it I'm going to put the star button, which is that, as you can see there on a keyboard, it's normally on the number 8, or your phone, it's like wherever. Then I'm going to write the same word next and then put another star after it, so immediately before and immediately after, no space. Now I'm going to press save, and now you can see, see the big difference, that's just normal and this one is standing out. So that's what it'll be. All you need to do is put the star before, immediately before and immediately after. So that's it, nice and simple video for you. Please like and subscribe. I'll be doing many more videos like this in the future. Thank you. You all take care. Catch you on the rebound.